Hello friends, I am Mr. Ravindra Bhalerao and I welcome you to my channel that is English for Learners. Friends, today we are going to learn English workshop of the poem All the World is a Stage, written by William Shakespeare. Before watching this video, as usual, I request you don't forget to subscribe my channel. The name of the poem is All the World is a Stage. Let's see margin questions. Question number 1. What do exits and entrances refer to? Answer. Exits refer to death and entrances refer to birth. Next question. Why is reputation like a bubble? Answer. Because that reputation is as short-lived as the life of bubble. Next question. What is the major difference noticed in 5th and 6th stage of life? Answer. In the 5th stage of life, man works as a justice. He grows in size and his belly becomes capon-sized by eating the chickens. He has severe eyes and possesses wisdom through saying and modern instances. The 6th stage is that in which man becomes old, weak and thin. In his loose clothes, he looks funny. Now let's see English workshop. Question 1. Read the words in given clouds. Match them with what they signify. The question is given. Please watch on the screen. Its answer is stage, life, characters, roles played by human, script, story of life, dialogues, conversation, entry, birth, exit, death. Next question. Read the poem carefully and complete the following table. Column 1. Ages of man. Next column, role. And third column is that qualities or actions. Its answer is given. Stages 1. Infancy and characteristic features. Crying, helpless. Childhood, winning, bright, alert, active. Lover, sentimental, unhappy, poetic, tense. Soldier, quarrelsome, short-tempered, foolishly looking for glory and fame in the jaws of death. Justice, wise, mature, authoritative, responsible. Old age, getting weak and lean due to falling health, loss of many voice. Last stage, that is extreme old age, clueless, dependent. Next question. Write down in your own words the difference between the following stages of a man's life. First one is A. Second stage and fourth stage. Answer. The second stage is a school-going boy, a bright-faced, complaining schoolboy unwilling to go to school. And in the fourth stage is the soldier. He swears all the time. The soldier is touchy about his honor and is always ready to defend it. He is short-tempered and ambitious. He is willing to even risk his life for his reputation. Next, third stage and fifth stage. Answer. Third stage is the stage of lover who is lost in thoughts of his beloved and writes poetry to her beauty. And in fifth stage is the stage of justice. With age comes maturity and wisdom, and the family man has the occasion of judge. He advises people and his look is serious and authoritative. And next point is first stage and seventh stage. First stage is a stage of infancy. The infant carried by his nurse, he cries and vomits most of the time. And in seventh stage is the stage of extreme oldness. In this stage, the man is about to reach his grave. He has no sight, no taste, and no teeth. A frail and fragile body staring into oblivion. It is the second childhood of man. Next question. 4. Pick out lines that contain imagery, a picture created in the mind by using words of the following people. A. Schoolboy, which is second stage. The answer is given. Please watch on the screen. B. Soldier, fourth stage. C. Judge, fifth stage. And D. Senior citizen, sixth stage. Answers are given. Please watch on the screen. Next question. Think and write on your own. A. What is the theme or central idea of this poem? Answer. The theme of this poem is the cycle of life, how one starts out helpless without understanding and end the same way. B. Question B. Which two stages of man described by Shakespeare sound humorous? Say why. Answer. The first stage, which is infant, and second stage, school-going boy. These two stages of man sound humorous because in first stage, newborn baby mewling and puking in the nurse's arms, and in second stage of school-going boy, a boy going to school like creeping like a snail. Next question C. The last seventh stage of life sounds very sad and miserable. How can you make old age also cheerful and happy? Answer. Studies have shown that breaking your routine to learn something new can improve your memory rather than sticking to the same old routine. Having a strong sense of purpose in your latter years has also been found to have a sort of protective effect on the brain issues. A 2014 study found that just watching 20 minutes of funny videos improved memory in older people and also reduced their levels of the stress hormone, cortisol. Some studies have also shown a link between laughter and a lower risk for heart disease. So go ahead, have a laugh, just don't worry about wrinkles. Next question. 7a. The poem is entirely metaphorical. Pick out comparisons from the poem. Answer. Word, world, a stage. Actors, all men and women. Birth and death, entrances and exits. Schoolboy, creeping snail. The lovers, furnace. Spotted leopard, bearded man. Last stage, second childishness. Next question B. Pick out from the poem two examples of each. Simile, creeping like snail. Onomatopoeia, mewling, sighing. Alliteration, plays many parts. Metaphor, all the world is a stage. Inversion, my teacher, kind and generous. Transferred epithet, with the awful ballad to his mistress' eyebrow. Friends, I hope you might have liked this video. If you liked it, please share it. If you have any suggestions for me, please write in comment box. Wish you a good day. Thank you very much.